I just did something truly, truly bonkers. I just sat down and created a dozen brand new high-end reports. These aren't stuff that I licensed from somebody else. They're not stuff that I previously created for another product. These are brand new and never before seen. There's a dozen of them, and I'm going to hand them to you for free as a bonus with a product that costs less than $6. It's all coming up in my review of Goal Getters. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Haber. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Haber. I know the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can pull successfully. Want me and my buddy Neil over here. If you are new to the job, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead because I tell the same stale jokes day in and day out. Yeah, they're boring, but I like my jokes, so I tell them anyway. And hey, they're my jokes. I get to tell them. You don't like it? Don't watch them. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: I review software and info products and make money on my niche. And why would I do such a thing in my expo? It's very, very simple. Let's make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, seriously, Bart, seriously. New Year is coming. It's a few days away. Do you think you can get a new line before then? Please? That guy, for years now, he's been going on the same line about crap. Bart, it's enough. Hey, seriously, if you know, the way this works here, if I like the product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, like next time. I also do a lot of videos about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Billionaire entrepreneur.
Thank you, Barry. Not quite a billionaire entrepreneur yet, but working on it. And by the way,
where is Liz Lemon?
Exactly. Good God, where is Liz Lemon? Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so look right now at the sales page for Goal Getters. This is from my friend Cam. Cam is one of the best writers that I know. He writes high-end content every single time, and he practically gives it away for free. He charges $5.99 for this. Now, this is something that is going to be super hot for the new year that's coming up because everybody is going to be making New Year's resolutions. And so this kind of content really is going to sell incredibly well for you. And right now, you can pick it up for $5.99. I'll show you the members area in just a second. But before I do that, I do want to tell you about my customers because I did something that I've never, ever done before. Okay, in the past, I've licensed PLR content from other people, something that I paid that was brand new to me that I had never given away before, but obviously somebody had created it and given it away to other people. I've also given away content that I created for other products before. Okay, this is the very first time that I sat down and created brand new content, fresh reports, a dozen of them, over 6,000 words worth of content. And well over 6,000 words worth of content, complete with mockups and everything. And the only way to get this brand new content that I just created is by spending $5.99 per Cam's brand new 14 email pack. Okay, that is the only way. You cannot get it anywhere else. You can't get it with anything else. It's not for sale anywhere else. You cannot buy PLR from anybody else. It doesn't exist anywhere else. This is brand new stuff. I just created it. And I want to tell you the topics in this before anything else. So you got motivation, you got setting goals, obviously appropriate for goal getters. The law of attraction. This is a great one. People love this thing. Okay, setting achievable goals, finding happiness, time management. This is hugely important. This is something that's going to really help out a lot of people with the new year. Dealing with procrastination, that's something that is going to be a hot seller for you. Okay, the power of visualization, accountability, self-discipline, work-life balance, and finally, the importance of mental health. Now, all of these are brand new reports that have never been released before. Nobody has them anywhere. They do not exist elsewhere. Okay, you cannot buy them from me. You cannot buy them from anybody else. The only way to get these is to get them as my bonus. I've never done something like this before where I literally created brand new content that I'm only going to give away as a bonus for somebody else's product. This is truly unheard of to do such a thing, but I believe in cam stuff. It's great stuff. And so I put this together. I even put together mock-ups for everything. If you're on YouTube, just click the link in the description. And if you're on my website, you can look below. You'll see all the mock-ups. Those come with this package. You're going to get the actual mock-ups. You can add your own logo to the side of them. If you want to, you don't have to, but if you want to, you can add it. It'll take you about 5 seconds to add your own logo to it. But you're going to get these exact mock-ups with the exact reports included. And again, these are brand new, never before seen content they're going to get for less than $6. It is truly unheard of. Let me show you the members area real quick over here. You can see here exactly what is here. It's basically just a download link together with the unbranded cover art. But again, you're also getting my own content, which is going to give you everything along with the markups included. And you get full unrestricted PLR rights to all of my brand new content that I just created. This is not something that you can get anywhere else. Brand new. I want to stress that because usually people give away PLR. I give away PLR. It's something that I left from somebody else. Okay, or it's stuff that I created previously for another product and then I turned it into PLR. This is brand new, never ever before seen. Okay, nobody's got this stuff except for me, and you cannot buy it anywhere else except as a bonus with goal getters. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip if my head's a product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, you demand. Okay, Cam always makes great stuff, and that's why I put in the time and effort to create my own high-end content that you can get exclusively as a bonus when you grab goal getters from me. Grab this. This is going to be so worthwhile. You're going to love this.